Internal Revenue Service IRS tax news. IRS announces 2021 tax counseling for elderly and volunteer income tax assistance program grants. IR 2020-239, October 21, 2020, Washington. The Internal Revenue Service recently awarded over $36 million in tax counseling for elderly and volunteer income tax assistance grants. There's a link to that here, to organizations that provide free federal tax return preparation. This year, the IRS awarded grants to 34 TCE and 273 VITA applicants. The IRS received 354 applications requesting nearly $80 million. Quote, "These two programs make a huge difference for people in need of tax assistance, and the IRS is proud to award these grants to help these groups perform their important service," end quote, said IRS Commissioner Chuck Rettig. Quote, "We appreciate the continuing interest in these programs from our partners, and we greatly appreciate the TCE and VITA volunteers across the country who make a difference for so many taxpayers," end quote. The TCE program, established in 1978, provides tax counseling and return preparation nationwide to people who are 60 or older. Volunteers receive training and technical assistance. The VITA program, created in 1969, assists underserved communities such as low and moderate income individuals and limited English proficient taxpayers. VITA grant recipients receive free federal tax return preparation and electronic filing. Congress first appropriated funds in 2007 to establish a grant program. The grant program helps establish VITA services to underserved populations and increases the number of taxpayers able to file electronically. The IRS forms partnerships with a wide variety of organizations across the country to develop VITA and TCE programs. Community partners include nonprofit agencies, faith-based organizations, community center, and large employers. The IRS provides tax law training, certification, and oversight to equip these organizations to prepare accurate returns. For information on applying for the TCE or VITA programs, along with a list current grant recipients, visit the TCE website or the VITA website. For details on becoming a TCE or VITA volunteer, visit IRS Tax Volunteers. There's a link to those locations here. There'll be a link to this in the description.